Hey everyone, it's EverythingeeB here, and in today's video I am going to be trying to install Play Store on the new Windows subsystem for Android. Now if you don't know, Windows subsystem for Android came out a few days ago, like the beta on the 20th of November, and basically I've been interested in installing Play Store because sideloading APKs is a bit of a hassle. What you have to do for sideloading APKs is you basically have to go to this ADB folder, which you have to make, open in Windows Terminal, and then type ADB connect, and then connect to your basically your Windows subsystem. So now it says connected, and basically you have to sideload APKs like this, but this kind of gets tedious. So I want to try installing Play Store because number one, I don't have an Amazon account, like a US Amazon account, and number two, it'd be convenient to actually be able to update apps such as Apple Music, which I use right now with Thing. As you can see, Apple Music is fully functional. I did a post on this as Reddit as well, but it shows pretty much everything that I've been listening to, that So the first thing I'm going to try is trying to find a Play Store APK. I know this isn't going to work, but I'm still going to try it anyway. So let's go with a slightly older APK, just so it works. August 10th, perfect. And I think we want universal, so let's download it. This 4 splits me, I don't understand. What the heck, this is some proprietary format.
2,000 years later.
So let's get, even older APK, there it goes. This one is 2 APKs, yeah, this seems more like it. Okay. So now we're downloading the APK, and this is an actual APK file. Good. So I don't have to worry about some stupid scammy APK. Okay. So now that we've got that, we just need to type ADB install, and then we need to go to downloads and click copy as path, and we'll just right click, install it. Good, done. But not really done, because come on. We all know that what's probably going to happen is I'm going to open the start menu. It's going to show up in the start menu. I mean, when it does. For some reason it isn't showing up. I have 2 Apple Musics, but I know which one is the actual one it's talking about. Oh, here it is, Play Store. Oh, it just crashes on launch. Okay, so you can't even get into it, but even if you could get into it, it would just demand you to sign in, and it wouldn't ever work. So let's try the second one, which is... Now this is time for story time, basically. So a few years ago, I owned a Meizu cell phone, and these were like Chinese cell phones, right? So one of my friends gave this to me because he was like, oh, I have no use for this cell phone, because he had a 6 Plus back then, and I had like a Galaxy Core LTE or something like that. But anyways, so basically then I ended up finding out about these Play Store APKs, and then I ended up installing on one of these. It basically installs the entire suite of Play Store, of all the stuff, the prerequisites you need for the Play Store, and then installs the Play Store so that it actually works. And I actually used this a few years ago, and it worked pretty well with the phone. And I can still remember that guy's face when I came back to school the next day. I was like, oh, yo, bro, I just got the Play Store working. He's like, what? How? So, yeah, let's try that. So, that's fine. Google installer APK. So this just downloads all the prerequisites, I'm pretty sure. So here we go. This one was updated like years ago. Jeez. Why is it loading? I've concluded this website is broken. Oh, this one is from Huawei devices? Okay. I kind of don't trust this one for some reason. Okay, we'll try it. Oh, this is the same one that just brought me... Oh, this time it downloads. Okay, no problem. And we'll download one more. Oh, this one's by Meizu. Weird. If I had known this existed back in the day, I would have used this, but anyway. So let's just go copy this to the desktop. Funny enough, this one is made by Meizu, so we'll try that one first because it's just an official APK. There we go. Okay, so... Oh my god, what the hell is going on with my recommended? It's like not even showing up at all. Jesus, I have to get into the all apps. GMS installer. Okay, there it is. Allow. And we want pretty much everything. It says you can repair these, so let's click uninstall all of them and then install. Let's see. Continue 0. It's just shifting between 0% and continue 0%. None of them are even downloading. I know that internet access works because if I open Apple Music here and search for some rando song like yeah, see, I know internet access works. Why is it not working? That's just a bust. Okay, we'll get another one going. The final thing I can think of is, so as you can definitely tell, I'm very frustrated right now. So the final thing I can think of is just, luckily, I kind of anticipate this would all happen. So I have every prerequisite, which is basically the Google Services Framework, the Google Login Framework or something, Google Contact Sync, Google Calendar Sync, and then Play Services, of course, and then the Google Play Store with what I think should work. Okay, we'll start with Google Services Framework. Just alright, so now we've got it all installed, finally. So I think now we should try launching Play Store and see what's happening. What's cracking with Play Store? Oh! My god, when this will ever end! Okay, okay, we need an older version of Play Store. Like, the latest versions are just so crappy. I have no idea. Okay, this one. We need to just make sure that at least we can launch into the Play Store. And now we're gonna uninstall the old Play Store. At least that was one time that thing, the minimizing start menu came in handy and saving me a couple of seconds. Okay, so we should finally be able to launch the Play Store. Let's see. Please work. No! God damn it. Okay. So now we need Google again. And now we need to go Play Store APK. But we need to go really old with this APK because it's clear that the latest APK is just not working.
One eternity later.
Are you serious? Okay, at this point, I can't even find a version of Play Store that even launches on this, so I think we'll have to call it quits for now. This project, so I'm gonna do a part 2 later with suggestions from the community, but for now, it seems like Play Store isn't installing, and even if it was, every app is sandwiched in its own thing, so when I tried to launch Google Classroom yesterday, it was like Play Services doesn't exist, and even when I installed all the other prerequisites, which is why I had this Google APKs folder here, it still did not launch. It just said you need Google Play Services, which is not supported by your device. So I'm thinking that Android Amazon App Store, as lame as it is the only way to go for now. But I'm interested in hearing what's yours guys' thoughts. Can you find a way to get like Play Store working? So yeah, I'll see you all next time. If you did like this video, then consider subscribing, and with that, I'll see you all later. Bye.